Hi you guys, I wanted to give a quick update on how our mini greenhouses are going. Today is May 6th. Happy birthday, Aunt Glinda. I planted these on the 28th of April, and today is the first time I have come out and actually watered down into the actual jugs. I have come out and I just watered the soil around it. We had a couple days where it was pretty warm, hoping that it would leach into the cartons themselves. I am finding that my favorite are these little peanut plastic canisters. It was so easy to get that off. I got it filled up very quickly. In a little one like this, I'm only putting about 1/4 of an inch standing water, and then it will drain down. For the milk cartons, I put about 1/2 inch, and for the Tidy Cat, I put about a whole inch, let it stand, and it will, of course, drain down. But I'm not coming out here every day and watering these, because the condensation is going to do what it needs to do. I left this cap undone because it looks really good in there, and if you can see, it got its first true leaf down there, so super excited about that. So just wanted to give you a quick update on how you should be watering these. I'm hoping that I'm only going to need maybe about another week with this. We did actually have another cold spell. It lasted a couple days. I had to actually turn the heat on, and I hated that. So once it is safe, then I will go ahead and take all of the caps off, and we can see how everything did. Thank you so much. Hope that you have a great day and that you have enjoyed this experience so far. I'm super excited and stoked about getting out here and doing some real gardening with some really good continuous weather. If you would be so sweet as to subscribe, I would really appreciate that. It's getting windy, so love you. Bye.